What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's about to be our channel, but you know, I'm gonna teach mama how to do her eyeshadows. Okay, now I done her eyeshadows on my previous video, which you guys need to check out because that was 8-1. Me and mom have decided that we're going to put our eyes and blush, do a little mascara, no dollar stuff up, and she gonna smash that box. While anything else to be said, let's just jump into this tutorial. For the eyes, we always make sure we prime eyelids, okay? And this is the Smashbox, which is Mama Faves 24-hour photo finish eyeshadow primer. We're just gonna put just a small amount. It's kind of like a beige cream color, and it feels like it's a little tacky. So we're gonna apply it on our eyelids, Mom. Did you rub it together? Yeah. So now that the eyelids are primed, so today I decided to use the ItsMyRayeRaye palette by Cosmetics. They did a collab too, Mom. So this is a great, awesome palette as well. She have highlighters, she have bronze and contours. Yes, ma'am, she did a darn thing. Look at them highlighters down there. They are so beautiful. And don't get it twisted, because once you apply these highlighters, you look at the palette and be like, okay, this is a pretty color, but they go on a lot prettier than what they look like. So big ups to you, girl. You did a darn thing on this palette. And look at those eyeshadows. This is your everyday wear eyeshadows. This is something I will actually use. And you see that I done dug into Tiffany a whole damn lot. Because Tiffany is a bomb shade. I love this shimmer shade. She have a nice mirror. I'm just going to use a nice fluffy brush. And my transition shade will be Pancake, which is the shade right here. Because it's sort of like my skin tone. So I'm just using this shade here to go all around my eye. Okay. Take your brush and go all around the top part. There you go, girl. Sweep that thing back and forth like a windshield wiper. There you go. Now, if you get too much on the brush, make sure you knock that excess off, mama, because it will get out of hand. And we're just going to use it for a transition shade. Okay, so changing out brushes. She's going to use another fluffy brush, but it's a lot pointed. It's not that big. And she's going to go in with another shade. So what kind of color scheme do you have in your mind? Are you trying to go with darks? Or are you trying to go with neutrals? Are you trying to go with some loud purples? Or what are you trying to go for?
Something match this.
Some match that. Okay, so I'm going to advise my mom to go in with Sunset. And I'm going for a more neutral, cool, warm brown shade. So I'm going to go in with Control Freak. So we're going to go in the same part, except we're going to go just a little lower down, like from right here, Mom. So open your eyes so you can see, because you don't want to go down in the crease area yet. You just want to get right above that hooded area. How you get through before me, Mama?
I'm quicker than you.
T girl, T. How it look, Mom? So far, so good.
I guess. I don't know.
You mean you don't know, girl?
Look at it.
Looks good. But we got to work on your blending technique.
Okay.
Okay? That's a work in progress.
It sure will. But next time I see you, I bet you I have.
Yeah, I bet you will, girl. I wouldn't doubt it, because I'm going to make you a pro. Moving on, Mama's going for a purple shade. So I see Connie right here is great for you. So Connie will be for your crease area. Okay, Mom? Connie. Okay? And I'm going for a more sultry brown kind of. So I'm going to go in with Midnight. We're going to take the same brush and we're going right in the crease area, which is right down below where you put what was that, Sunset? Yeah. So when you go swiping, make sure you blend it, Mama. So we're going like this. Gucci.
I don't know.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
You need a small mirror so you can see it better.
I'm fine.
Okay. So we're gonna switch out brushes, Mama. Okay. So I'm going for a darker brown. So I'm gonna take, this is the shade Fairy Tale for me. And Mama's going for that purple, so she's gonna take Passion on her lid, okay? So Mama, what we're gonna do is I'm going to tap into this Fairy Tale, and you're going to tap into Passion, okay? And we're going to do it on our lid area.
Just that right there.
Just that little part right there. I'm going to see if I need to wet this, because sometimes we need to wet those bristles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take yours and we're going to wet it with some MAC. Take that shimmer and you're just going to look straight ahead, eyes closed, and pop it right there on the lid area. Yeah. Maybe a little bit more of that shimmer though. Girl, we want it to pop like.
There it go.
It does. So what we're gonna do is just take our blender brush again, and we're gonna dip back into those shades that we used, which you used Connie and I used Midnight. Blend that in with the shimmer shades. The outer part and blend it in so we can look like it's transformating into something else.
Just go.
Don't go too far in. No, we're just gonna do the outer part. Yes, mother, just the outer part.
I like that.
You like that? You like that better? I like mine too. I just gotta blend a little bit more up here because they look a little ratchet.
Smoky eye going on up top.
I know it, girl.
Go ahead.
While mama say smoky eye, let's smoke out the eye, shall we? What we're gonna do is blend that crease right there, mama.
With this right here, like this.
Yeah. So we're gonna blend that crease because we don't want any harshness in our crease area. Perfect, mama. We're gonna use more like a dome brush to do our bottom lash line. I'm gonna dip back into Control Freak, into Connie.
Which one is Connie?
Connie is that purple shade. And light-handed, what we're gonna do is look straight ahead and blend right in the lower lash, right up under it. Don't get too close to your eyeball though. So hold your brush down. So hold it down just a little bit. I'm dipping back into Mousse to get that darker chocolate shade. Let's see, mother. You got it in there, didn't you?
I don't know. Did
You are going with that glitter shimmer. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So what I'm going to do is get you a nice pencil brush. And we're going to go into your shade Passion. Hit right down below it. So now that we see that it's a little smoky down there. And I know this damn video is going to be 50 minutes long by the time I get through it. We're going to do some Smashbox down there, some mascara, because mama loves some Smashbox. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put me on some Book Some Honey mascara. Mama, you are using the Benefit Cosmetics. What's it called?
They're real.
They're real. That's right, girl. You may get it right, girl, for Benefit. You got it, mama? You sure?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
She doing it.
She doing it, girl. The tea is real. So she do like the Smashbox, and it does look nice.
It does. I like smashing.
Mother dear. Smash that box. Now, here comes the real, okay? I don't know, Mom. What you would think would be your shade, because you do have a deep undertone. Mama's saying the same thing, which is this shade here. It is called Pink Punch. I think that'll go great for her undertone. We're going to take us a blush brush. We're going to take the blush, and you're going to do Pink Punch, right? Okay. And I'm going to do the Tarte. We're just going to dump in there. We are going to ample the cheeks. Don't go too far down. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's better. Okay, so move on to lips. Me and Mom is using, she's going to use the Anastasia in the shade Heathers. It's just a liquid lipstick, but it goes down matte, and I really like it because it stays on the lips very comfortable throughout the day. I don't have to worry about it transferring anything, and girl, when I say it is transfer resistant, it ain't going nowhere. We're going to use the NYX Lingerie in the shade After Hours, and I'm going to top it off with my Revlon Endless Lilac. Now, block. Get back in the swing of things, mommy.
I've been out.
Oh, you been out the game too long, girl.
Game too long.
Oh my God. Now, mommy, what do you think?
We'll do it.
The exception of the eyebrows and without the complexion, really. Because, you know, normally something like this would consider me putting some eyebrows on, but right now I don't have any on, so I'm having to wing it with this eye look, and the lip does not work with it, but
I think we'll do though.
I think for you not to be able to use brushes and everything, I think you did all right. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us that thumbs up if you like this video. Leave your comments, questions, and suggestions down below in the comment section. And slay, girl.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching again. Till next time. Bye bye.